Hi, my name is Stephen Welsh and I'm a field application scientist for Biosero. I'd like to welcome you to my presentation, Seamlessly Replace Legacy Scheduling Software with GreenButton Go. Laboratory automation has now evolved to the point where we have a fossil record. Legacy systems are often sitting idle or being underutilized. Before jumping right in, I'd like to outline a few of our session goals. First, I'd like to share some reasons that legacy scheduling software may not meet your automation and research needs. Then I'd like to highlight some features and capability of Biosero's GreenButton Go scheduling software that will help resolve this issue. Then I would like to discuss our comprehensive GreenButton Go technology portfolio briefly, as well as provide some examples of current methods supported by GreenButton Go scheduling software. Here's a small list of some of the reasons why legacy scheduling software may not meet your needs. Current assay needs are unmet. Legacy platforms are often limited in scope. They're originally designed to perform one narrow and simple task, and often not doing that efficiently. Evolving science means changing needs. Automation of new assays, methods, instruments, as well as the introduction of new data management tools. New research projects and directions now require automation to work in a more dynamic environment. The software can be outdated. It lacks capability, is not user-friendly, and is often not supported by the vendor with active updates. Legacy scheduling software is not user-friendly. It can be inefficient, arcane, and not flexible, all around difficult to use. It does not provide tools such as user interfaces and monitoring tools to guide the research scientists through their process. It can be difficult to incorporate and optimize new methods. Error handling is often a nightmare, often requiring a complete system restart. Legacy software does often support integration of data tools and multiple workcells. The software provider does not offer integration capability or is limited by ties to specific instruments, limiting automation options. Data management tools can be completely lacking or absent. Legacy softwares can often not work across multiple workcells, as well as having gaps in support, no end-to-end start-to-finish support. And of course, the original owner of the system may be absent. The system has been abandoned and is not being used, a very expensive paperweight. GreenButton Go as a suitability as a replacement choice. We are instrument agnostic. We will work with your suite of instruments. You are not constrained. We can quickly and easily add instruments to your system. This includes more complex instruments, flow cytometers, cell-based imagers, as well as analytical instruments, mass spec, HPLCs. Robotic arms in legacy systems are often antiquated and not properly supported. We fully support the transition to collaborative robotic arms. We have custom plugin capability. GreenButton Go software allows you to integrate your in-house LIMS, ELN, and data management and analysis tool. We have an extensive driver library. Currently, we have a library of over 300 instrument drivers and growing. There's a good chance we may already have the drivers for your suite. If not, we have in-house driver development with customization options. We can future-proof your system. Holistic integration capabilities. We can build system scalability, future-proofing. GreenButton Go software can integrate with your existing infrastructure, equipment, or software. Our applications team can translate your methods into fully functioning automated processes. We can also provide integration across multiple workcells, even those physically separated. Importantly, our staff and flexible software are user-friendly. GreenButton Go software is designed to provide unparalleled flexibility to the automation developer and user, from non-expert to expert user. GreenButton Go provides intuitive user interfaces and other tools to provide researchers through their method setup and subsequent execution. Researchers don't need to become automation specialists. They confidently use automation They can instead focus on their science. For the advanced user, we support low-level scripting options and other advanced tools, providing unlimited customization and control over any automation process. And in conclusion, we offer powerful and intuitive error recovery tools that allow correction and resumption of operations without system restart. GreenButton Go enables developmental tools at all levels, as mentioned. And here's an example, our intuitive system monitoring. Moving from left to right in the top panel, we have the instrument layout and status. Moving to the center panel, we have the currently operating procedures. And finally, on the right-hand side, we have the real-time Gantt charting in the run. We can easily toggle back and forth to instrument utilization as well, and I'll show that in the next panel. In the lower panel, we have a modular toolbox on the left-hand side for building customized procedures. The center panel shows one of these procedures utilizing a custom C# script. And finally, on the right-hand panel, we show the custom C# script used in the method. This is all incorporated within GreenButton Go. As I mentioned, GreenButton Go offers virtual simulation tools to assist in both method development and optimization. As before, on the left panel, we see our instrument layout and our instrument status. Moving to the center panel, we have the processes that are currently operating. But this time, instead of a Gantt chart, we show an instrument utilization chart. This tool can help you quickly identify automation bottlenecks and model your throughput capabilities. GreenButton Go technology portfolio supports data services. Biosero has a suite of tools to provide highly capable and comprehensive management of system data streams. As mentioned before, this includes integration of third-party LIMS, ELN, and data analysis tools, but also AI and machine learning tools that are increasingly part of today's research environment. Connectivity includes syncing across multiple LIMS and workcell platforms. We provide real-time tracking of user, instrument status, sample, reagent, and compound tracking. We can also integrate manual processes seamlessly with automation. Just to point out a few, Workflow Designer is designed to coordinate workflows across multiple instruments and workcells. Order Manager is an assistant for scheduling of work orders. Inventory Manager provides tracking and inventory control of labware, compounds, and reagents. And our connectivity suite provides seamless connection across instruments and workcells. GreenButton Go supports today's evolving research environments. Research initiatives increasingly rely on more sophisticated system orchestration and data management. GreenButton Go's flexibility supports these emerging and more sophisticated workflows. This requires seamless coordination of instrument operation as well as real-time monitoring of data. For example, cell-based assay methods. Many of these assays now include real-time monitoring of cell culture processes such as confluency measurements, feeding and expansion, gene expression monitoring, cell line engineering, and clone selection, etc. For biologics, including antibody and T-cell based therapeutics development and screening, obsolete systems often cannot efficiently integrate instruments such as flow cytometer and cell-based imaging instruments. Many of these workflows utilize new and more complex instruments, many not previously considered automation friendly. You need a versatile software that can meet these new possibilities. Thank you very much for attending. If you have questions, please join us at the back of the exhibition booth in the video chat room.